For us in Ayala Land, we value strategic partnerships in our estates. We appreciate how this development can spur activity and create business and job opportunities for communities. Our bold vision for ARCA South is to complete the triumvirate of CBDs south of Metro Manila, complementing the existing Makati and BGC estates. Accessible, progressive, and future-ready. These are some of the principles that guide us as we develop ARCA South. The estate has all the elements office locators, investors, and residents aspire for. It is in-city, highly connected, and pedestrian-centric, and it is within an integrated mixed-use development. With accessibility and connectivity at the forefront, the estate is strategically located at the heart of the metro and is within 500 meters from infrastructure projects currently within the government's pipeline. The North-South commuter rail is targeted to be completed in 2026. The Mega Manila subway is expected to be completed in 2028. And lastly, the connection to the Skyway through the Southeast Metro Manila Expressway is making its way and will have an exit directly leading to ARCA South. A testament to the essence of an Ayala Land estate, ARCA South was designed and is continually being realized as a CBD that truly enhances land and maximizes its best use. With sustainability and efficiency at its core, our master plan weaves open spaces, vehicular routes, seamless pedestrian links into commercial, residential, and institutional developments. This year, even more exciting things are yet to come as we open the 5,000 square meter family park and the 1.5 hectare interactive park, and witness the groundbreaking of Lander Superstore, which is targeted to open by early next year. Furthermore, the country's first cancer specialty hospital, spearheaded by AC Health, is being constructed and will open its doors to accept patients by next year. We are looking forward to the continuous development of ARCA South alongside the success of our locators as we are now turning vision into reality.